The ONEPLUS 15 comes with 6.78 inches Full HD plus LTPO AMOLED display, 165Hz refresh rate, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. Rear camera's 50 megapixel main with OIS plus 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with OIS and 50 megapixel ultrawide with 8K video, 32 megapixel selfie with 4K video, powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, 3nm chipset. It runs on Android 16 with Oxygen OS 16, comes with 12GB, 16GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and 256GB. 512GB UFS 4.1 storage, no microSD. Backed by a massive 7300 mAh battery with 120 watt charging, measures 8.1, 8.2mm thickness and 215 grams weight, and colors infinite: black, ultraviolet, and sandstorm. Other features includes in-display fingerprint, dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, stereo speakers, IR blaster, and IP68, IP69. K rating. Pricing starts at 72,999 Indian rupees for the 12GB plus 256GB model.